How to relist your listings in Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to relist your listings in Facebook Marketplace, you just simply need to open your Facebook app and go to the Marketplace section from the bottom row. Tap in there, and after you go in this page, you just simply need to tap to the profile icon from the top right side in order to access your Facebook Marketplace profile. And once you go to your Facebook Marketplace profile, you are gonna see so many options. You just simply need to pick the option of quick actions under selling. Tap to quick actions and you will see the option of relist directly. Now, if you have sold some product and if you still have the listing, you can directly relist that same list for the new product which you want to sell again. Just simply tap to the relist button and select the list which you would like to relist in Facebook Marketplace. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.